Well, hello there, Mr. Buckle here with problem number 5 from your Algebra Chapter 4 self-test. I have the problem on the screen here. We have 0.73 v plus 37.9 is equal to 16 minus v. And our goal here, what they're asking us to do, is find out what is the value of v. So we have to solve for v. So what I'm going to do here is use algebra to solve. So I'm going to separate the left side of the equal sign from the right side of the equal sign. And there's a lot of things I can do first. A lot of things I can do. I'm only going to do one, but there's a lot of things I could do. I could subtract 0.73v from both sides. I could subtract 37.9. I could subtract 16 from both sides, or I could add this v. Any one of those things are going to work. Any one of those things is just fine, but I can only do one, and what I'm going to choose to do is get rid of this minus v, so I'm going to add v to both sides. Again, this is not what I have to do. It's not the only thing that I can do. Other things I can do, but I don't want to deal with this negative here. So I'm going to get rid of the negative by adding v to both sides. When I do that, on the left-hand side, I get 1.73v. Where does the 1.73v come from? It comes from 0.73v's plus 1 whole v is 1.73v. Again, if there's not a number in front of the variable, it's kind of like there's a 1 there. So 1 plus 0.73 is 1.73. Plus 37.9 is from right here. That didn't go anywhere. The 16 is from right here, and the minus v is gone because I added v to both sides. Next, I'm going to subtract 37.9 on both sides because I want to get v by itself on one side of the equal sign. So I subtract 37.9. Why subtract? Because it's a positive. So I subtract on the left-hand side, and I subtract on the right-hand side. When I do that, what I get on the left-hand side is the 1.73v. The 37.9s are gone because these canceled out. And this equals negative 21.9. Where does that come from? 16 minus 37.9 is negative 21.9. One more thing I need to do, and that's divide by 1.73. Why divide by 1.73? Because I'm multiplying these two together, and to undo multiplication, I'm going to divide by 1.73. And what I do to the left-hand side, I have to do to the right-hand side. And when I do that, what I get is v, and then I have this little squiggly equal sign here, because if you do negative 21.9 divided by 1.73 in your calculator, you do not get negative 12.66. I have rounded this. So v is approximately negative 12.66. I'm not going to write out the whole decimal. I'm not going to leave this as a fraction. Changing it to an approximate decimal is just fine. So in this case, v is equal to negative 12.66.